Pre-pandemic, a feeling made popular through people's use of social media was FOMO, fear of missing out. Viewing other people's lives and activities could prompt a feeling that something was missing from our own. Well, move over FOMO. The new acronym is FONO, and it means fear of normal. Going back to work, being in a crowd, and leaving a COVID cave of safety, as described by the California National Alliance of Mental Illness, turns out to not be an easy change for everyone. In a Today Show report, psychologist Deborah Rinner said, "This is a global example of reentry after trauma. For something to be traumatic, it is outside the realm of our normal experience, unexpected, and causes a shift in trust." The pandemic provided all three, and it not only registered in our lives, but in our mental health, creating on the back end a fear for many of returning to normal. A June 2020 study on how the pandemic affected mental health found that 40% of respondents were affected by the pandemic. 26.3% experienced symptoms of trauma disorder, and 13.3% started or increased use of a substance to cope. These statistics are not good, yet they reveal something real. Supportive.com promotes, keep in mind that we're all re-entering to different degrees and under different circumstances. No matter where you stand, you may have lost the habits that kept you functional in the pre-pandemic world. How can we help ourselves and others during this time so we do not fall prey to FONO? Number one, paint a picture. Describe how you think things are looking going forward. What is staying the same and what is changing? What does the post-pandemic world look like? How is the new normal in your best interest? How will it benefit you? When you identify what the benefits are, you're far less likely to dwell on fears. Number two, listen. You can't totally alleviate your fears if you don't know what they are. It might help to meet one-on-one with someone and share concerns. What behaviors and habits have felt harder upon re-entering public society? When concerns are expressed, repeat them back to each other to confirm them. From there, you can address yours and others' fears with compassion. Number three, celebrate small wins and respond calmly to mistakes. Take the time to acknowledge steps towards moving forward. Discuss how you are navigating and overcoming issues and point out the positive impact that the changes are having on you and others. This will provide you and others with positive affirmation to keep going. On the flip side, take mistakes in stride. Mistakes will happen, especially when adjusting to a new routine, and that's okay.